Paddy, recognise some of that stuff there, yeah?
Old steam.
Steam. Did you work on the steam?
That's where I work.
In there?
Yeah.
That's in Westport Station, yeah. Oh. And did you work on the steam engines, yeah?
I did, yeah. That's what I came here for.
And when did they finish up?
About the late 60s.
Late 60s. And was there much work on them now to do?
There was a lot of work on the steam, yeah. Heavy work.
And what had happened to them? What's the kind of problems would they get?
Oh, you'd get plans blown and bearings running hot and regulators going and every kind of thing.
And would it take much coal now to run it from here to Dublin, sir?
About 10 ton.
10 ton?
Yeah.
That much?
Yeah.
That's a lot of coal.
That's a lot of coal.
That's 200 bags.
They were using turf.
What?
There was a lot of turf and they were using turf.
They tried the turf, didn't they?
Yeah.
How did it work?
Didn't work.
I heard it wasn't enough. Well, there's not enough energy in there.
Rolled out the chimney.
Yeah. And did you move over to the diesel then, you did?
I did. The first passenger.
Diesel passengers, yeah. Were there a name on them things?
No, they were just
Trains there.
Yeah.
And there were just two carriages on that one. Was that the size of it?
You could have 8 of them on it. Eight of them on it.
Okay, that's just a short one there, yeah. And that's the steam train up on top there, is it?
That's a steam train, yeah.
And is it the same as all, are they all different ones or the same one?
They're all different horsepower, like, you know, but they're all passenger engines.
And were there many of them coming in?
Oh, there were, yeah. You had about 5 trains coming in a day.
A day at that time, yeah.
You two goods trains and you had 3 passengers.
Okay. And how much it cost to go to Dublin that time, or can you remember?
Oh, I couldn't remember.
Can't remember, yeah. You had free travel anyway, did you?
I did not feel anything.
Well, was the free travel for employees that time, was there?
Yeah.
There was, yeah, there was.
It still is.
It still is there, yeah.
Still is, yeah.
I'm sure the rest of us are getting it now.
Yeah. We're all getting it now.
We're all getting it now, yeah. Did you enjoy working here?
Huh?
Did you like working here?
Oh, I did.
Did you, yeah?
loved to work.
Who did you work with? Who were your colleagues?
Oh, there were fellas, Ernie Smith.
Ernie Smith.
Ernie Smith and Martin Heritage.
Paddy, take out the photograph you have in your pocket, listen.
Oh, that's a different.
You got an old photograph, have you? Are you all right there, Michael, behind the picture, yeah? Put your head over there so the people can see. Just to show the people that you're doing an odd job.
Take out the photograph.
Here's the photograph, yeah. Right, who's in that photograph now?
That's Jerry Cunningham.
Yeah?
That's Willie Sheridan.
Yeah, Willie worked here, yeah?
Yeah.
They all worked here,
They
yeah?
all worked here, yeah. Michael Fatty, John Sheridan, Tom McDonough, Lloyd Clark, Paddy Gavin, Walter Brennan, Bill Spicer, Mick Keevy, and Ted Moore from Mackle.
From Ackle, he's an Ackle man, yeah. And you were not in that, are you?
No,
No.
and I was longer in than any of them.
And was that before your time or after your
No,
time?
that was after me. That was back in the 70s.
Back in the 70s, yeah.
That was 1970. I came here in 51.
Many were working up here that time, it's a good few.
Oh, there were a lot on it.
There were a lot of, yeah. Numbers have gone down now,
Yeah,
have they?
very few here now.